Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you 2 easy ways to open the Google Play Store on your laptop. So let's get started. Method 1. First, open Google Chrome on your laptop. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Next, click the Google Apps icon in the top right corner. If you see Play, simply click on it. The Google Play Store will open in your browser, and you can browse apps, games, books, and more. Method 2. If the first method doesn't work on your device, don't worry. The second method works for everyone. Open Chrome or any browser, and then click on Search Bar. Type Google Play Store and press Enter. Click on Android Apps on Google Play. This will open the Google Play Store website. If you're not signed in, log in with your Google account to access all the features. Keep in mind that on Windows laptops, Google Play Store opens as a website. You can browse apps and install them on your Android devices linked to the same Google account, but you can't install Android apps directly on your Windows laptop from the Play Store. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy laptop tutorials. Thanks for watching.